Everyone, let's build a quick Bodo that will track and show changes of NFTs held in a particular wallet. So we have this new NFT wallet holdings block, which takes a few input variables here. The wallet address, the contract address of the NFT collection that is being tracked, and the network. And you'll see here Ethereum, Polygon, Optimism Base, and Binance Smart Chain. Now the block itself, or the block alone, maybe is not that useful, but let's say we want to track changes in this collection or in a particular collection. We can look for one of these outputs, balance change, or network. The balance simply shows a number of NFTs from that collection is being held. The balance change is a delta from one bot run to another. So if previously you had 0, 10 minutes later the bot runs, and if in the meantime you've purchased or you've transferred in an NFT, this will become 1, and network is the network or the blockchain where this is tracked. And let's leave that to Ethereum. So for the purpose of this demo, I'm using balance change. And if that is different than 0, let's say I want to receive a Discord message, or no, let's do it. Let's do a Telegram message. Here we go. And I'll just use my Telegram. Your NFT holdings have changed. And that's enough. You just get a little ping whenever something gets transferred in or transferred out of your wallet, and that is a good indicator that something has changed with or without your knowledge. So let's say for the wallet address, I'll just use my wallet from here. Cool. And NFT collection, I know I have one of these lo-fi thingies from OpenSea, and it's on Ethereum. And let's say this runs every 10 minutes. Of course, this can go sub 5 minutes, but I don't have a pro account here, so I'll just leave it to 10 minutes. Lo-fi NFT holdings checker. Yeah, that should be good enough. Bot saved, and that's it. Let's recap this. So whenever an NFT gets transferred in or transferred out to this wallet address belonging to this collection on Ethereum, if the balance change is different than 0, so this would be +1 if an NFT was transferred in, or -1 if it's transferred out, I receive a Telegram message. That's it. Thank you.